Good morning. This is Kush from the Everyday Chef. I'm gonna make everyone's favorite today, avocado toast with some breakfast potatoes. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're gonna start by chopping our potatoes up and getting the home fry started. All right, we're gonna start by putting some avocado oil. I just eyeball it. I like to put in like at least 1 clove of garlic just for an added flavor. Invest in better knives, people. Invest in better knives. All right, that's good enough. I like to add some seasoning right in to the oil right before you add the potatoes. Gets you more of a charred flavor. I like a little bit of mustard seed, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of turmeric, and my personal favorite, chili lime. Drop you in. Get it kind of mixed with the oil before you move on to the avocado toast. So let's get the bread toasted while we cut the avocado and prep it. The butter. Let's cut us some avocado, right? Start by cutting it right down the middle. That was not the middle. So a lot of people like to smash their avocados. I prefer a slice method because the consistency of the actual avocado tastes a little different. It gives it a little bit, you know, it's less mush and cream and more of like a bite. Alrighty, get that guy out. Potatoes are getting ready quickly. Now, the best part of the avocado, you want to slice it into these little, thin, almost wedge-like. Very easy to cut. It's like cutting through butter. Alrighty, and my favorite part, smush and separate. Yeah, so this way you can get a perfectly even seasoning coat. Let's drench the avocados with lemon or lime, whatever you prefer. Oh, we got 1 seed. I like to add some seasoning on top of this, including cilantro and basil. Lower that temperature. Let's get some more chili lime. I do an excessive amount of chili lime, a little bit of black pepper, and some salt. Alrighty, we're gonna need feta cheese as well. There we go. Okay, we can do the rest of the seasoning. Be careful of seeds in this. Got 1. Get some fresh basil chopped. Oh, that's a big guy. Should be good. I like to rip the mean stems off because get a bit too chewy. So cilantro, we can just cut these together. Come on, toast. There we are. Turn that off. Get my 2 favorite seasonings. Oh shit. And chili lime. Last step, make the toast. Complete by adding the avocado. Alrighty, let's do this. is very healthy cheese. Eat more feta. Then let's get this seasoned. We have the perfect avocado toast breakfast. Yum! Give it a try. Oh, perfect consistency. Oh, delicious.